In this video, I will show you how to get subscribers on Beehiiv. Now, first of all, if you want to create your account, you can get a 30-day free trial and then 3 months with 20% off through the link down in the description. So if you want to claim that deal, again, you can sign up through the link down in the description. Now, after that, after creating your account, if you're wondering about the basic functionality of how people can subscribe, under resources right here, you have a home page and sign up page. Now with the sign up page, if you just share this with someone, they can then just go and subscribe to your newsletter, so they can enter their email here and then subscribe. If you want to customize that page, you can go here to design and then go website builder. And then from there, you can change the sign up page right here, so you can then just go and edit what it looks like. So that's basically how you can get subscribers. But if you're wondering how to actually get people to subscribe and not just the basic way how to do it, then what you can also check out is here under Grow. You have 4 different sections. You have a referral program, which you can set up, which means you can turn your own readers into a growth engine. And essentially that allows your readers to promote your newsletter to their friends through your referral program. This gets you an average increase of 17% in monthly growth. Then they have recommendations. Now this is more to recommend other newsletters to your audience, but people can also do this for you. So under recommending you can find people that are recommending you to their audience. You can also contact other newsletter owners with similar size and ask if you want to recommend each other. Then under magic links, you can build a custom magic link to boost conversions with subscribe links, which means that any publisher that uses Beehiiv can drop this link into their newsletter for easy signups. Now finally, you have a pretty cool one, which is boosts, and this means that you can get hosted on the Boosts marketplace, where for example you pay other newsletters to refer people to you for example $1 per subscriber. So you will also find this under monetize and boosts, and this is the other end of it, where people can actually take you up on that offer. For example, the AI report will give you $2.16 per subscriber that you refer to them through your newsletter. Now you can also get listed on this, which you can do under Grow and then Boosts. Now that will cost you some money, but it is a pretty good way to do it, and you will only have to pay money when people sign up. So now you know how to get subscribers on Beehiiv. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And again, if you want to get a 30-day free trial and then 20% off of your first 3 months, you can sign up through the link down in the description. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.